All right, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Right now, we are actually trying to create a parachute out of bed sheets. I believe this is a full-size bed sheet. You could use a queen and king, is probably way better. They're bigger and it will catch the wind so much better than the one we have. Now, it was very windy. It was boring. No fish were biting. Sadly, we went out, still nothing. So we have to do something with our free time. This is one of it, and you will need lines, and you will need one of those kite handles so you can hold on to the bed sheet so you can kind of control it up or down. And let's get to the good part. You can hear the wind on the outside. It is very strong. Now, first test is let's see if the sled can do it. Look at that, got some distance out of it. Well, after that, once we caught on to the hump, it just couldn't pull anymore. We do need flat surface. Alright, so here's the second attempt. Let's see what we can do with this. Maybe there's too many surface on the weight and we don't know. So let's see if the second one works. Alright, we're going to give up on a sled. Let's go ahead and test on a snowboard. Also, the wind has just picked up a little more than usual. It is getting stronger and stronger as the night go by. And there we go. Let's see what happened here. Oh, it got stopped because of the turbulence of the wind. Hi. Yeah, this wind is weird.
Yeah, it's like blowing off.
All direction. Because these snow are still not helping. She need pure ice. She need like ice. Keep going. Yeah, lift higher.
Ready?
Hold on. All right, go. Keep going higher, yeah. Keep going, yeah. Keep going. All right, so we had to do some modifications to make this work. This is so awesome just to see this happening. We shortened the lower line and also keep the top long. That actually helped bring the wind and the lift, and that was how we got the distance going. Now, the wind are stronger, so we are going to attempt ourselves with the sled on. I don't know how to snowboard, so does my cousin and my friend. So we're not going to attempt the snowboard, so we'll go ahead and use the sled. But the wind has picked up a lot. You can see how it is kind of like foggy, but not really. It's the snow, being blown from a distance. Oh, by the way, we got a great honk by the truck that drove by, and they came by later saying, oh my God, that was awesome. You guys got distance, you got it going. They were watching us. They're like, oh my God, they're not going to make it. That's what they told us. But it was fun. This is exciting. So if you guys are bored, you have nothing better to do, there's no fish, just go ahead and give this a try. Bring a bed sheet, bring a little line, kite holder line, one handle, that's what we use. You probably can do two, but I think one is plenty. And bring a sled or a snowboard if you have it. And have lots of fun with it. Hey, so hopefully you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, click like, share the video. Let other people give it a try and share your comments down there. Let me know. Ask me any question because this experience will resonate with us forever. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.